Tonight, I was showing you radar with that tiny bit of green right along our coast. So we do have a few showers, maybe a few sprinkles overnight, but should not impact your Sunday plans. In fact, we'll have a few clouds early, clearing through the morning, and a gorgeous day is ahead tomorrow. And our coldest of the week ahead looks like Monday morning will be near 40 north of the lake and 50 south, and then gradually warming up from there. So finally, a nice stretch of just beautiful fall weather. Sometimes it can be really fun to get to this point in the year where we really don't have any sort of big hazardous kind of weather coming our way, and actually mostly delightful weather. Our temperature right now downtown at 64, the Kenner Airport and the Lakefront Airport both at 63, and we have 50s all over the place on the North Shore, and Belle Chase staying a cool 53. Going back to this morning, we did start at Bogalusa brushing upper 30s and other spots either 40s or 50s, and then this afternoon we did make it into the 70s. Slidell obviously has an error there. It had one earlier today too, so disregard that one, but otherwise our temperatures just super pleasant today. And moving into tonight, it does look chilly, but we are also seeing just this very low chance for some of this rain. Now, not all of this may even be reaching the ground. It could be what is called virga, which is where there's rain that is raining, or it appears to be raining on radar, but sometimes you can even see it. It evaporates before it reaches the ground. So not out of the question at all to have a shower or a sprinkle, but again, not all of that might be coming down as you see it there on radar. We also have this little surface front off to the north of us, and this is going to rotate in after that disturbance near our coast passes away from us tonight. So this is our precision cast model. We'll go forward in time. This is 1 a.m. Any heavy storms with this disturbance along our coast should stay well to the south of our coastline. And then here we go Sunday. This is the morning, 9 a.m. Already seeing the clouds pass to the east of us, and it looks like a sunny, beautiful day as this next shot of cool and dry air moves in. It's not super drastic, but it will make it really nice for the start of the week and bring those temperatures down a little bit. Tonight, North Shore lows upper 40s. South of the lake, you can expect mid 50s. And as we look ahead to our time change tonight, this is the good one, I guess you could say, for a lot of people. Daylight saving time ends tonight when we fall back an hour. A lot of us get that extra hour of sleep. This happens at 2 a.m. Tomorrow, sunrise 6:16 and sunset 5:13 p.m. So the end of the day, of course, we get to this point in the year. It's only 4 months that daylight saving time does not exist for us. It's March 8th. It will start again. So kind of interesting to get to this point in the year where we have those less sunny evenings, of course. Morning lows for tomorrow, 40s and 50s. And then highs around 70. Should be a sunny, beautiful day. North winds up to about 10, maybe at times 15 miles per hour. So a tiny bit of movement to the air as that surface front slides through. And again, few clouds to start if you're up early. And then we're just looking for sunshine and a really pleasant feel. Very low humidity. Our temperatures in the evening falling through the 60s. Our upper pattern for this week is really just featuring a big high over us. And this will just gradually drift off to the east. So that is our setup that happens when we get into these fall cold front kind of patterns. Then the high pressure moves in, then it shifts to the east, and around the high we start to warm up with that flow from the south instead of from the cooler northern zone. So that will be the trend as we get into this work week. And it does look like, again, Monday morning it's going to be a chilly start. You can see 40 and 50 north and south of Lake Pontchartrain, and that is the coldest morning that I have in the 7-day. Then we stay in the 60s likely on Monday. Tuesday and Wednesday we start to warm up, and you can see both morning lows and afternoon highs both edging up. By the end of this week, I do think it'll feel really nice even through Thursday and Friday, although we'll be not too far from 80 degrees, but still fairly low humidity. But we'll start to feel a bit more humidity by next weekend. And interesting, we've been on this schedule where we've been getting these fronts on the weekend lately. So it looks like next weekend could be the same. Slight chance of showers on Saturday, and we'll keep you updated on Sunday. Looks like our next cold front could move in Sunday a week from tomorrow. Mike?
Alex, thanks. We are following some breaking news tonight from overseas where 10 people are in